Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of reversing a string in C#. This tutorial will provide you with step-by-step instructions and useful tips to help you master this essential programming skill. So grab your coding tools and get ready to unravel the mysteries of string reversal in C#. Let's dive in. In the vibrant world of C# programming, mastering fundamental string manipulations is like wielding a powerful wand. Today, we embark on a captivating journey into the art of reversing strings, a fundamental yet magical concept. Imagine turning hello, world, into Luro, ole with just a few lines of code. In this blog post, we'll unravel the secrets of reversing strings in C# console applications. Together, we'll explore a hands-on approach, creating a program that not only introduces the mechanics of string reversal but also empowers you to wield this fundamental skill in your coding arsenal. The following are the objectives of the lesson. 1. Introduce learners to the basics of manipulating strings in C#. 2. Teach learners how to reverse a string using a loop. 3. Grasping loop initialization and incrementation. 4. Reinforce the connection between strings and character arrays. 5. Enable learners to interact with console input for string manipulation. 6. Promote the use of methods for modular and organized code. 7. Stress the importance of writing clear and documented code. This the explanation on how the source code works. 1. The program prompts the user to enter a string using console. Read line. 2. The reverse string method takes the input string, converts it to a character array, and uses a loop to reverse the characters by swapping elements from the start and end. 3. The reverse string is then displayed using console. Write line. 4. Console. Read key is used to keep the console window open after displaying the reverse string. The detailed information about the explanation of the source code is the description box below. Watch the video on how to download and execute/run the project. And don't forget to visit the link posted in the description box for more information about the lesson. In this lesson, we explored C# console programming by learning how to flip around user-inputted words. The code was neatly organized with the name string manipulation app to keep things tidy. We used simple commands like console. Write and console. Read line to chat with users and get words from them. The trick of flipping the words was put into a little box called reverse string to keep things tidy and easy to understand. We used a special trick called a loop to swap the letters in the words and make them backwards. By showing the flipped words with console. Write line and using console. Read key, we made sure the computer chat window stayed open for users to see the result. Now, with this cool skill, you're all set to do even fancier word tricks in your C# adventures. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Remember, coding is a journey, and we're here to make it an exciting one together. Until next time, happy coding, and I'll catch you in the next video.